Now we are having a question based on the product of the two matrices. Now we have to find the product of the AB, and using the result we have to solve these equations. Okay, so let's find first product for AB. Now AB is equal to now multiplying with row and column. Okay, so it is 2 with 3 now, 6 minus 1 minus 1, then we are having 2 minus 3 plus 1, then we are having minus 2 minus 1 plus 3, then minus 3 plus 2 plus 1, then we are having minus 1 plus 6 minus 1, and lastly we are having 1 plus 2 minus 3. Then 1 with 3 we are having now 3 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 plus 2, and minus 1 plus 6. Okay, so now what this becomes? AB is equal to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 and 4. So this becomes now, in the while explaining this step we were having product will be equal to Ki. Now product comes Ki, it means there is no mistake for finding the product. Okay, so AB is equal to, now AB is equal to 4 with 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now AB is can be written as 4I. This is our AB. Okay, so now let's move for finding the solution for these equations. First step is to write the equations in the matrix form. Now A is equal to A is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Okay, this is coefficient of these equations. 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, minus 1 2 minus 1, minus 1 2 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2. It means this formation is for A. Okay, then we are having x is equal to xyz, and now we will be writing capital C is equal to minus 1 4 and minus 3. Okay, so equations, now we are going to write the equations in the, we have written in the matrix form. Now the formula was Ax is equal to C and x is equal to A inverse C. Now we want A inverse from that side. Okay, what that side was? It was, now AB is equal to 4I, then pre-multiplying by A inverse AB is equal to 4A inverse. Now A inverse will be 1 upon 4B. Okay, now this value we are going to put here. Okay, so here we are getting now x is equal to 1 by 4 B and C. Okay, so we have used this step for A inverse. We have not find the adjoint. Now x is equal to B is written there, it is 3 1 minus 1, then 1 3 1, and then minus 1 1 and 3, and C is minus 1 4 and minus 3. Okay, so let's solve it now. Now x is equal to x is equal to multiplying, we are having minus 3 plus 4 and plus 3, 1 by 4, sorry, 1 by 4. Now minus 3 plus 4 plus 3, then minus 1 plus 12 minus 3, and then we are having 1 plus 4 minus 9. Okay, so x is equal to 4 8 minus 4, x is equal to 1 2 minus 1. Okay, so finally we are having x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to minus 1. Okay, so these are the now answers answers for the solution. Now let's verify it. Let's verify it. 1, 2 and minus 1. Now putting 1 here, it is 2. You can just do it on the rough side. Putting 1 here is 2, minus 2 and z is minus 1. So this is minus 1. So it means answers are okay. For the second equation, now we are having x as 1. So it becomes minus 1. Then y is 2. It becomes plus 2. And z is minus 1. Again it becomes x is 1. So it becomes minus 1. Y is 2. 2 to the 4. And z is minus 1. So it becomes plus 1. So this is 4. It's okay. So just check the answers for only 2 equations. If 2 equations are perfectly alright, it means you are having the right answers. Okay. So these are the right answers.